It feels so good to be back on campus, especially to rip off your 2020 office hours and get ready for fall 2021. But you know what's even better? To have this amazing surprise from Adobe Creative Campus. I am an Adobe Creative Campus educator for my campus, so I had an opportunity to attend the Creative Campus collaboration, which was virtual in 2021. And just as a way to say thank you, they have sent me this amazing gift. So let's go ahead and take a look. I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to know more about how to be an Adobe Creative Educator for your campus. And trust me, I use Premium Pro and Adobe products to edit my videos. So if you want to know how, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to go ahead and give a quick tutorial about easy ways to edit your videos. So let's go ahead and get this started. Thank you so much, Adobe, for sending this to me. It really was a sweet surprise.
Here I have another card about collaboration. I have popcorn. My kids are going to be happy. And this is candy bars. That's good. I have a Creative Campus bag. Super excited. I have a Creative Campus cup, I'm assuming. Kind of hard to record with one hand. There you go. Creative Campus cup. Looks beautiful. I have a lavender garden. That is, what does it say? It's lavender seeds, not lavender garden. I have this, a coaster. And I have, what is this? Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Spoons and forks. A water resistant wireless speaker. And I am guessing these are cookies. Creative Campus book. Hand sanitizer. And a bag. How cool is that to come back to work after a year and a half? And here I have, oh, this is not a bag, this is, I think, a blanket, outdoor blanket. So that's all my Adobe Creative Campus sent me. Super excited and happy to come back and find this beautiful, amazing, encouraging gift on the first day back. And as you can see, I still have March 2020 calendar on my desk. So there I have it, Adobe Creative Campus.